Okay, problem 4 of the 2017 AMC 12A. Let's go. Jerry and Silvia wanted to go from the southwest corner of a square field to the northeast corner. So we got corners and squares. We can draw a square. I mean, I hope you can, but I can't really, not on a computer. Jerry walked due east and then due north to reach the goal. So this is east, this is north. So Jerry walked like that. Actually, we shouldn't draw a square, we should just draw 4 points. So Jerry walked like that. We have the points. But Silvia headed northeast and reached the goal walking in a straight line. So which of the following is closest to how much shorter Silvia's trip was compared to Jerry's trip? So this is Silvia's trip. This here is Jerry's trip. So it's a square field. What do we know about squares? All sides are going to be the same. We have sides here. So all the sides are going to be the same. We got a triangle here and a right angle. This is an isosceles right triangle. So we're going to have 45-degree corner, 45-degree corner. We also know the side length ratios. We're going to have 1 to 1 to square root 2. You know what, let's say it's 1 mile or something like that, you know. And then we're asked to compare Silvia's trip to Jerry's trip, how much shorter it was. So if Silvia's trip is represented by this bar, then Jerry's trip is represented by this bar. We're looking at the heights only. Then this is the percentage difference. Okay. So Jerry's trip 1 and 1. So Jerry's trip was 2 miles, but Silvia's trip was square root 2. What's the square root of 2? So you might already know this. The square root of 2 is equal to 1, approximately equal to 1.41. And you could multiply it if you don't believe me, if you have not done this before. But it's helpful to know this beforehand. So compare 1.41 to 2. We're looking for a closest, so let's say 1.4. That's going to be equal to 14 over 20. So 14 over 20, and that's going to be equal to, we have 10 and 7. So Silvia's trip is 70% off Jerry's trip. So we have 70%. We got the 100% over here. We have 30% difference. So our answer is A.